Well, what a privilege to welcome the Tourism Business Council of South Africa back to Sun City. It's a real privilege to host the doyens of the industry and really to showcase what I believe is one of South Africa's national tourism key points, as we always refer to Sun City. So really excited. We've got Value of the Waves function. We've got lots of networking engagement, lots of conferencing, lots of opinion makers. So we're really super excited to have everyone back. I'm really pleased to say that as at the end of July, we switched on a full solar installation which services both the full convention center, Sun Central, as well as the Valley of the Waves. So right now, the conference will be fully solar powered. We have 18 generators across the property. So any conference at Sun City is fully protected from load shedding, and the residents of Sun City really don't feel the impact thereof.